Welcome to Mduni Villas at the Rest Nursery Estate. Cozy, low maintenance and luxurious. These building packages are available as plot and plan. We have 3-bedroom, single and double-story units available, and some of them even have a study. The unit I'm showing you today is one of our show houses to illustrate what you can expect when purchasing your home. We do have one completed unit available for sale, which can be viewed after lockdown. As you can see, the finishes that we offer are top quality, and best of all, you and your family can choose your own finishes according to your styles and the budget given. The open plan living, dining and kitchen area is lit up by the natural light from the large windows and beautiful patio sliding doors. Added onto the kitchen is a well-sized laundry scullery room leading to the garage. All 3 bedrooms are spacious with built-in cupboards. As you enter the main bedroom, it feels like a luxury hotel suite. I guess feeling like you're on holiday 24/7 has never hurt anyone. Kiro Private School is walking distance from your home and located in the center of the secure estate. This award-winning estate offers a 21-kilometer mountain bike and walking trail. You have nature at your doorstep, and yet you are just 5 minutes away from Nelspruit Center City. A well-sized patio with an optional pool as an extra just gives the last stick to this beautiful home. Best of all, your purchase includes transfer duty, which gives you a huge saving for today. Be sure to contact us for more details.